What is up, guys? We are back with another unboxing, and today we're doing the Yozma IN-10, something like that. Appreciate Yozma for sending this out to me. Let's get straight into it.
Whoa, 1 inch not getting hole.
Shit. GoPro died. What we did is take the box off, and look at this stuff. This drip headlight. Come on, might be an S2 Pro. Like, oh shit, it's broken. Damn. Alright. Got a number plate. All that. Oh shit. It's tragic. Bar mounts. Bar pad. Front fender. Yeah. And then all that came in this little carbon fiber pouch they gave. This thing is drip. Yeah. And then we're gonna be building this thing with the tools they give, nothing else. So, I mean, if you guys don't have tools, then this will go to show that you can build this bike with these tools, hopefully. But yeah, start getting this wheel off and whatnot. Oh, there we go. Check the wheel out. Oh, come on. It's literally an SSR wheel. The Gary Stone tires. Come on. What you know about it? Nothing. There. Holy crap. Oh my gosh, they really greased up the kickstand. Holy. We got apple grease in there for days. I think I just got grease launched in my face. But take the battery out of this thing. Get the charger off. I think this is the charger. Hopefully. Make sure, is it recorded? We have the charger. The keys are right here. I think it's like under this.
Yeah.
I don't know. Oh, I saw the keyhole on that side.
Can you rip me out the plastic?
Here. Yeah. Ooh. Come on. A little bit of storage in here too. Dang. Oh, I forgot. You have to like. You should unscrew the battery to get it out. So yeah.
This plastic is retarded.
Let's see where she's at first. What the fuck was that?
She sparked up.
She sparked up first try. How do you turn this thing on? Oh, ignition. What the fuck was that though? Oh, right here.
Nah, it sounds like a scooter.
Oh, the screen's unplugged.
This thing can't even be a scooter.
Well.
You heard that?
Yeah. Let's just turn her off for now.
Take this.
Alright. Oh, let's put the linkage on.
Already one off cool. Oh, good though. I might have to throw the bags on if I'm not going to do this video.
Bro, it's whatever. Oh, the mud guard is looking tough. Here, hold the bike.
CJ SIES 26 cannot be canceled on day one.
Alright, actually, we can't put it. Here, honestly, don't hold it here. Come here. Oh, yeah, can you push the seat down? Should I push it down? Push the seat down. There we go. Alright, we're good. She's in.
It's in. Dude, no.
Yo, chill with the scooter.
I'm gonna get PTSD from that shit.
Alright.
Off-road use only.
Oh my gosh.
Put a look on wave sticker there, call it a day.
That wheel spins hard. It's hard to spin.
Caliper's nice though.
Where's the knife at?
Oh, I threw it on the box.
Oh. Holy crap. Thick ass zip ties.
Flipping. Taking the book on rig off.
This is literally pretty much like a.
It's the fucking shoes.
It's like a Razor Tudio.
Oh, what?
A Razor Tudio, but it looks better than both of them.
It's just a Tudio. The batteries are the same shit.
Actually, she does have more amps.
Man. How did you wear these clothes? These are fine. It's in a dress though.
Oh. Not. Bro, why'd the battery spark?
Alright, where'd that bolt go?
I'm trying to plug this thing in.
Shit is genuinely gone. I don't think you need it left.
Okay, I think we're good. We didn't fry anything yet.
This. Come on.
Where'd the toolkit go?
Oh, I'll put that shit somewhere.
I see her. Alright, let's see what we got in the toolkit. Okay. Oh, we got more hardware for the pegs. Bring this barrel over there. Holy crap. There. So first.
So the first thing we would do is spray paint all this.
Yeah.
Oh. Wait.
Tighten up the linkage.
Make like a seat cover somehow.
Wrong size, but whatever. 15. Did it come with a 14? Oh, yeah, there. Come on, dude. Yeah, we need another
Oh, she got the XP60.
14 and 15 probably. Or no, we got two 14s.
I'm gonna take the ratchet strap off. That's it.
Wait, give me a smaller wrench. I don't know which one it is. Actually, whatever. That's this one. And when y'all are doing this, make sure your linkage is tight so it doesn't fall apart.
It's hard as fuck. Where's the knife at?
So everything's so stiff on this thing. Ah, there. Linkage is tight.
Did you put the sight?
We'll just get the drill for this, because I ain't doing that. We'll do the drill to get all this random plastic shit off, too. Because that's gonna take too long. Alright, but take the battery out here. Oh, dang, this thing weighs nothing. Holy crap. What the hell is happening over there? Yo, feel this thing. This thing weighs half a pound.
Damn, bro, we're about to get like 3 miles out of this house.
Alright, well, let's plug her in.
It's low-key kind of tragic.
It's the James Match Charger 2. Yeah, same thing.
James Match got a mention? Hold up.
James Match, JM Parts got a mention. Do not shop at Holy crap. Right there. Okay.
Dude, these might be like the thickest zip ties I've seen.
The charger's making crackling noises, but whatever. Oh my gosh, this thing looks sick. This thing's gonna be so much fun. I'm gonna take the seat plastics off. And make sure you don't cut any wires.
Oh.
Is this still recording?
Oh.
A ratchet strap?
Yeah, it's holding the forks down.
Yo, that is crazy.
It's not. I think something owns a super sharp knife.
Shit! Oh nah! Oh no! Oh wait! Oh nah!
Second thing I've lost.
That's cooked! Oh my gosh!
No, the skid plate's pretty easy to take off.
We were not getting that shit back.
I'm missing this bolt too.
Oh fuck no!
What is that? You actually need that?
Yes. Here.
Stop shaking. Yo, look at the controller on this thing. Front mount too.
She's a light. Well. Oh shit. That's a problem. Oh wait, oh wait. I got it, I got it. Oh my gosh. This thing is low-key mint. There we go. Dang, those pegs are mint. Alright.
That was the game.
Okay.
Yeah.
Dang, these grips are good.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh yeah, I didn't get to send a video. My phone was charging. No, you're really quiet. Alright, gonna get the bar mounts on now.
Oh, the Ricky.
There we go. Not even bad, honestly. Front brake isn't the best, but oh no. As long as it doesn't rub. I bet. You should always move your brakes down a little, so the lever end of the lever's more in, so you have more levers to press the brakes. Just like probably about there. This will help y'all be way better at wheelies. These bars are kind of hard to do it on because they curve down, but So I might not do it this aggressive. But like, there. There we go.
Jason's already got his career hanging. Hold on. This should be higher.
Bro, it's getting the front fender. The front fender looks good on it.
Nah, but this looks nice though. The front, it's red.
God.
This shit does not look good. It's red. Why is it so
This.
sooky?
Put the screen on.
We should just put this thing on. It should look better like this. Put the headlight on.
Fuck that thing. Ah, you kind of have to,
Yeah,
though.
I know, I kind of need this jet. Oh, and that means you need to take the bars. Wait. Oh no, it's just these.
Shit, where's the screen go?
Here.
I can't fit it.
On the outside.
Look at this shit. Fuck up. Here she is. Fully built. Looking pretty good. Put the 14 plate on it. Seat. I hear everyone complain about it. Honestly, it's not even that bad. Looks like they kind of threw some extra foam in there. Honestly. But just wait for the battery to get charged up and then go ripper. Suspension is soft though. See how it feels. She just finished charging. Battery's going in. See if it sparks up again like last time. Hopefully not. Oh my god. Well, I don't know if you're supposed to like unplug that or something, but I mean, whatever. Hope she fires up. Hey. Headlight. Honestly, it could be worse.
It's a box.
Trip. Average speed, max. 54.9 volts, 48 volt battery.
Alright, bro, stop.
Trip time.
Jerked it off.
Mode 1. Okay then.
That's so weird.
Here is the bike. Fully put together. Rode her a little now. She's nice. Once you get the brakes broken in, they're pretty good. We've done 2.3 miles. On the screen it says. Still full bars. Screen's eye, it's like a basic, I don't even know, like electric scooter. More advanced electric scooter type screen, but yeah, I mean, tomorrow the dongle comes in. Get that on here too, tune it up. Try to get it go faster. So far hit 38 on it. On the stock Yozma tune. And yeah, get some riding clips now. Ready? So if you guys are interested in getting Yozma for yourself, check the link in the bio. Use code filipmain. Save some money. See you in the next one.